The restoration is complete. Let's take her out for the first drive. The body is rough, but the original shape is still here. These panels need careful repair, and these tires are finished. The rear needs attention too, but nothing we can't handle. The engine needs a complete inspection before we start. I've found the main problem areas. Now we know where to begin. I've kept this car here for a long time. I'll give it the restoration it deserves.
Deal. I'll take good care of her.
I hope you bring her back to her former glory. Deal. I'll take good care of her. I hope you bring her back to her former glory. The ramp is secure. Let's load her carefully.
Everything is tight and secure.
She's ready for transport.
The journey starts now. Next stop, the restoration garage.
We made it safely. Now the real restoration can begin.
Slowly down the ramp. Nice and easy.
Yep.
Steady, steady. Let's wash away the dirt and reveal what's underneath.
The interior is filthy, but these original details are worth saving. Now we can see the real condition. I know exactly where to start. The inspection is done. Now let's start bringing this classic back to life.
This section is weak, so I'm reinforcing it properly. The dents are coming out. We need to keep the original body lines. Now I'm smoothing the repaired areas before sanding. A smooth surface is essential for a clean final finish. Everything is masked. Now the body is ready for primer. The primer will give the final finish a strong foundation. Almost ready. I'm making this surface perfectly smooth. The body is coming together. Now it's time to check the heart of this car. The engine needs a full rebuild, so I'm removing it carefully. Years of dirt are coming off. Let's see what we can save. I've found the worn parts. Now I'm rebuilding this engine properly. Everything is back together. Let's make sure every connection is right. Easy and steady. The rebuilt engine is going back where it belongs. Align with the mounts, just a little to the left. Perfect. Secure the bolts. Solid. The wiring needs attention. I'm fixing every connection before testing. Checking power here. Good.
Good.
Rear lights next. And success. Test complete. All right. Perfect fit. Tight and secure. All right, perfect fit. Looks great. The final polish is done. She looks incredible. The interior is finally clean and ready. Every detail is back where it belongs. Running smoothly. The pressure looks good here. Temperature is stable. After all that work, she's finally ready to leave the garage. The restoration is complete. Let's take her out for the first drive. She drives beautifully. All that hard work was worth it. If you enjoyed this restoration, please like the video and subscribe for more classic car restorations.